Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya from Informatica GCS. In this video, we'll learn how to enable and make use of Spellcheck Dictionary in P360. The video includes introduction, architecture, spell checking options, spellchecker settings, installation followed by a demo. Spell checking is an important feature in the data maintenance process. This feature is important for ensuring consistent data quality and an integrated user experience. The PIM spell checker scans the text and extracts the words contained in it. Then it compares each word with a known list of correctly spelled words. This contains just a list of words. The spell checker performs neither grammatical nor morphological analysis. It checks simply whether a word is contained in the corresponding dictionary. If yes, the word is correct. Otherwise, the word is incorrect. All incorrect words are highlighted in a text field. Additionally, the spell checker provides suggestions for the incorrect words, so the user is able to replace an incorrect word with one of the suggested words. Furthermore, the user can add the incorrect word to the corresponding dictionary, so that this word will be recognized as correct next time. P360 server contains the spelling engine. Whenever any request for spell check comes from rich client or web client, the spelling engine checks that request and sends back the response to the particular rich client or web client. The spell checking options are available for a table field, for a form view, and also for a rich text editor. The context menu spell check options include replacing option, additional to the dictionary option, and deactivation of the spell check. There are different settings that are available to be enabled in the plugin customization.ini file, which we can enable accordingly as required and make use of it. The installation of the spellcheck dictionary includes Step 1. Download the corresponding standard dictionary. The dictionary should have .dic and .aff files in it. Make sure that all the files are encoded with ANSI. And then, if you go to the plugin customization.ini file, you will have to give the path where these files are present, which will be later shown in the demo. Make sure that the file pattern for the dictionary files is as language_country. Then, for the next server restart, the source file will be picked up from the location that we mentioned, and then it will create a dictionary in the cache folder. Now let's look at the demo. Let's start the demo. I have the dictionary of English_US in which I have the .dac and .aff files. If you go to the plugin customization.ini file, you will find spelling engine configuration section, under which you will have to enable the paths where you will have to place the dictionary files. Once these are uncommented, the default path would be in the configuration dictionary source folder. Let's save this file and then copy these files to that particular folder. Okay, once the files are placed, go for a P360 server restart. Once the restart is complete, if you go to the cache location, you can see the dictionary being created. This dictionary will contain all different words that are created from your standard dictionary. And if you go to the rich client into the dictionary's perspective, you will see a new entry made in the spelling dictionary for the language English. Now let's try to do spell check for any of the fields. Now let's see how we can do spell check for a long description field. You open the rich text editor. Currently the spelling of animal is correct. What if I change it to animal and then enable spell check? You can see that it turned to red, which means that the word is incorrect. You can do a change directly by clicking on it and then apply. Now let's see how we can do spell check in a web UI. As you can see, we have currently provided dictionary for the English language. I'll try to type in here, enable spell check, and it shows red. And I can change it directly by clicking on it. And you do have an option of adding to dictionary also, where if you want any new word to be added to the dictionary, you can click on it. Now, what if we try to enable spell check for a language that you don't have a dictionary enabled already? Let's try doing it for Chinese. It simply says that spell checking is not supported for the language because the dictionary is not present. You'll have to import the dictionary again by following the same rules, and then you'll have to restart the server. Now, what if you want to add some new words into the dictionary? You will have to create a file where you'll give a column name and then put the new words, and then go to the import perspective, open that file, create a new mapping. Once the file is loaded, you'll have to create mapping into the spelling word header data word section. Map it, perform an import. While performing the import, you'll have to select the dictionary. Once the import is done, if you go back to the dictionary, you can see that the new fields have been entered. You can make a word active or deactive by selecting here. We are done with the demo. The detailed documentation of spellcheck dictionary is present in the documentation set. The spellcheck dictionary values can be maintained in the dictionary's perspective. Please reach out to us on these handles. Thank you.